Hello, everyone. You're welcome once again to our full learning English. And today, we're taking a look at these two verbs, being and being. These are verbs used to express actions. And the first one, which is being, is used to express completed action, while the second one, being, is used to express continuous or ongoing actions. So let's start with the first one, being. Being, like I said, is used to express a completed action. It's used to express a completed action. But when you're making use of being as a verb, it must be used with the have auxiliary verb. The have auxiliary verbs, as you can see on the screen. And the have auxiliary verb is a primary auxiliary verb and it contains three verbs: has, have, and had. Has, have, and had. Has and have are present form, while the had is the past form of has and have. So let's take a look at some examples we have for you today. First one, she has been awarded a scholarship in her school. She has been awarded a scholarship in her school. When you use as, it means one. It's a singular verb and it means one. So apart from that, it's also a present tense. It's also used in the present form. It's a present form of the verb and it's a singular form of the verb. And whenever you're using has or been, you use as with what? Been. Second one, my mom and dad have been given their salary. My mom and dad have been given their salary. Here we have been, have been. And like I said, been is often used with the have auxiliary verb. But have here is the plural form of verb. It's the plural form and also the present form. Okay? Plural form because it agrees with mom, and that is why it agrees with mom and dad. Have been. Now the third one, he had been disqualified before I came to his rescue. He has been disqualified before I came to his rescue. Here, had been is used when we have two actions, one occurring before the other. When one occurs before the other, two past actions, but one is more remote than the other. And from the example we have here, the issue of disqualification has happened before I came to his rescue. So we have the two actions in the past, but one is more remote than the other. Another thing about had is that had is the past form of have and has. Had is the past form of have and had. Okay? So let's look at being. Being. Being is also a verb, but it's used to express ongoing or continuous actions. Ongoing or continuous actions. And whenever you want to make use of being, they are used with the be auxiliary verb. The be auxiliary verbs are, is, was, am, are, and were, were, were. So let's take a look at some examples here. I am being called to carry the load. I am being called to carry the load. Am is a present form of verb and it agrees with what? Being. Being to show that it's an ongoing action. And we have the second one. The teacher, the teacher was being chastised for her unethical behavior. For her unethical behavior. They were being beaten for stealing. We are being told to report at the district. So if you take a look at all of these examples, you have am, was, were, are, and his. All of them are used with the continuous form of which is being. Being. So let's take a look at some common errors with the use of being and being. Being. He has been helping his mother since morning. That is very wrong. Why? Because has cannot agree with being. So the correct expression is he has been helping his mother since morning. Let's take a look at other example or grammatical mistakes. They have been asked to submit the homework. Wrong. The correct expression should be they have been asked to submit the homework. Have been, because have, has, and had agrees with what? Been. On the other hand, let's take a look at the following grammatical errors and their corrections. They have been harassed. That's wrong because are cannot agree with been. So the correct expression is they are being harassed. They have been harassed. Another example is the student was being questioned. Wrong. Wrong. The correct expression is the student was being questioned. The student was being questioned. So here you have it, the difference between being and being. The first one, which is being, is used to show completed action, while the second one, being, is used to communicate or express ongoing or continuous action. So thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is a full learning English. Click that red button and also the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop or I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.